Good morning. That was cheesy. Anyway, I'm going to have my second cup. It doesn't look as strongly black as my other coffee maker, but that's because, likely due to this has a paper filter. Everything looks all neat in there. Even though I used pre-ground coffee, that's all I had this morning. But it's not oily on top either, like my other. And what I noticed when I drank my first cup, there wasn't all this residue in coffee grounds, so that's a good thing. You know, that thick sludgy stuff isn't there. That's awesome. It came with only 3 of these, so if you want to use them, you need to order them. And it came with this. I haven't used it yet. I'll have to get my measurements right. Let me taste this. Still hot, so that's good. Just remember the measurements are different. This is 10 cups, but that's 10 4-ounce cups. So something like this, of course, is more than 4 ounces. It's more than 5 ounces. It's probably more like 6 to 7 ounces maybe. So I'll have to get my measurements right to get my coffee a little bit stronger. The rose gold is beautiful, but I will have to get used to it. So I'm used to stainless steel, and I'm not quite sure, even though it is beautiful, but it was on sale. So I certainly can live with it and maybe get used to it more. But it is a beautiful color. Nice and warm, almost coppery. Anyway, I splurged, and so far I'm happy.
Okay guys, this coffee pot is truly amazing, so if you have been looking at any other one, do not. I'm impressed with a lot of this because I have went through several different coffee makers. I've never bought one that's expensive, but I'm really glad that I did. This entire thing right here is stainless steel, and including this, or yeah, this is too. It makes the coffee very quick, and the taste is perfection. This is glass, and this right here, so these buttons on the side, you can do a half a pot or a full pot, and then when you turn this on, it will eventually turn off, I would say about 30 minutes, 45 minutes after, so that way, just in case you forgot to turn it off, just for safety purposes, it turns itself off. So very, very impressed with this coffee maker. I highly recommend.
Let 'em say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this
So here is the Mocha Master coffee maker, and as you can see, it is a beautiful navy matte color. Really, really like the color of it. I think it's gonna look great in my kitchen.
It only wets half of the grounds.